that in my box before I can't get to that. There we go. That's all sealed and put away. Oh. Very cool. Oh, look at all those. First time seeing this. Alright. We will just put that all right in here. Hi, Taffy. Shall we first see what is in here? Should be hands, I would imagine. Two pairs. Yep, two pairs of hands. Nice. Then this with that, of course. What's this? Is this just spare packing? I assume so, but I thought that was the doll ones before and I was wrong. Let me just open it up and make sure. It is not just spare packaging. What is this? Wow. That's very cool. Look at that. I didn't even know that was coming with this. Nice. I learned my lesson. Always look at the spare packaging because it's never just spare packaging. Rarely just spare packaging. Alright, now for the main event. Alright. Look at that. Looks so lovely. Wow. Yes. Nice, nice. Okay. Double jointed. The joints are very firm feeling. Like, not very, not really loose. Yeah, wow. That's strung really well. Alright. Looking at the joints here. Nice. Nice. I assume that these are double jointed. They are. Nice. Look at that. Oh, he looks so lovely. Hi, Taffy. Now, I don't exactly have men's clothing yet for him. Let me just see if these pairs. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetie. All right. So, I don't have any men's clothing for him yet. Not in MSD size, I only have ST size male clothing. But these are female pants. Well, my female MSD. But they're so large and so baggy on my female MSDs, my female dolls. I figured it would fit them anyway. And it does. Fits them perfectly. Look at that. Look at the detail. Really impressed. Another, wasn't gonna purchase, but, You see a doll and you fall in love with it, and it was on like a sale. Oh, very cool. So these are the first pair of hands, my grippy hands. And these are the other hands. I like these a little bit more because they're more relaxed. Oopsies, sliding off the edge of the couch here. Oh, so nice.